All right, guys, what is going on? Give me just a second here. I was trying to find the hat. Finally found it. Finally found the hat, chat. What's goody? Who do we got? 14. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you guys are on break today. We are on holiday break, chat. 100%. Maybe everyone's out Christmas shopping. Out there standing in line, standing in traffic. Shame. Right, Mason? Did we start our Christmas shopping already? Let's see. Naruto, Victor, Monkey, Josh. Fries are not nice. What's good, Nikki, Toby, Amin, Shay, Jordan D. Starbucks got me feeling right. What'd you get from Starbucks? What did you get from Starbucks, Jordan? You're gonna go after this? This will probably be a short stream. I really don't have anything for you. But I did want to stick to the schedule and, you know, at least give you guys an opportunity for any Q&A or any, you know, I don't know, Q&A. Questions, comments, concerns that you guys have. You know, it is the 24th, right? So a week from now is New Year's, right? And then we're rolling it right into 2025. So if you have not already been writing out your goals for next year, that's a problem, you know? So you should definitely get started on that. Oh, and look at that Santa rally today. Look at that Santa rally today, chat. Taking us above 22,000 for the Nasdaq. Taking us up to almost 6,100 for ES. Dow Jones. Ass water as per usual. As per usual. But yeah, look at that. Look at that Santa rally here. Not bad. Definitely not bad. Cafe Mocha. All right, well, I'm definitely not judging you for getting that. But, you know, I woke up very late today. I did not get an opportunity to watch this morning's price action. Even if I did, I probably wouldn't have traded it. I might have demoed it, sure. I don't think I would have traded it live, but there was still some clean stuff this morning. Josh stopped looking at Dow 2 weeks ago. I feel that. I should have stopped looking 2 years ago. It's hard, like, because I don't know how long each of you have been around, but they used to correlate heavily, all three. Like, all three just used to be so in sync, bro. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. They were just so lockstep. It was crazy. So you could overlap all three charts and you could almost not even tell the difference. You're like, which one is which? Right? But Dow, the last, I don't know, 2 years, maybe 3, it has been so far out of sync with the others. It's just not even worth it anymore. for relative strength. It's more like just ES and NQ together, and just kind of just let Dow do what it wants to do. You know what I mean? Let's see. Gold on an intraday basis. I don't know what this wants to do. We have some highs up here. We could reach for that. But, you know, don't take trades the night before Christmas, okay? Just don't do it. Don't do it, chat. Silver has some highs up here too. So I mean, yeah, it's likely, but we have a higher low here on silver and a lower low there on gold. So yeah, this might rally up there, but I don't think I would put money on that. I don't think so. So, Jordan, when you look at Dow for what it is, 30 largest stocks in the US, and then you look at Nasdaq, right? I think it's 100 or 105 or 101 maybe, which is predominantly like tech sector. And then S&P is a bit more balanced between the industry. So it does have a lot of tech too, but it's got like utilities and all the other sectors, healthcare and all this bullshit. So that to me is why typically when the last couple of years, when tech has been rallying, Google, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, stuff like that, that's why you see Nasdaq being the leader. ES follows suit, but it's not the leader typically. And then YM is the laggard, right? So the measurements are vastly different. And then the sectors are vastly different as well, if that makes sense. But it didn't used to be that way. They used to be way more in lockstep. I mean, just backtest really, really old data. Just go on a daily time frame, overlap your charts, and then go back to like 2020, 2021, you know. I don't know if you could get intraday charts that far, but I might have some from that far. I don't know how I'm going to find them though. Yeah. What else you guys got? What else do you guys got? Y'all got any plans this week? Y'all got any Christmas plans? Traveling, visiting friends or family? What are y'all doing? Oh yeah, this is 15 minutes. So this is gonna be slow. What's good, Rob? Do you guys think we would hit 200 members next year? We got so close this year and we didn't make it. You guys think we can get 200 in 2025? I got some cool stuff coming out, dude. I'm telling you. I want to tell you so bad. I want to tell you so bad, but I can't. You just have to wait and see. You just have to wait and see. Resting after a month's worth of shopping. I feel that. I feel that. Outlook for Q1 on the indices. Ooh. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. I feel like upside is probable, but again, this is going to be we'll have a new president sworn in, and that'll be this guy's second term. So the first quarter of his second term, you know, I don't know if that will shake things up a bit. So it's hard to say, but if I had to pick a side, higher, lower, or consolidate, I would pick higher. I would pick higher. Thank you, Alex. Merry Christmas Eve to you all as well. I celebrate Christmas here, so I don't do that happy holidays bullshit. Happy holiday, man, fuck all that. Merry Christmas. You know? Different times, guys, different times. All this political correctness. Not on this channel. No, no, no. We not on this channel, chat. We don't play those fucking games. You want the slow burn anyway. The value was there before YouTube, but those all-time highs are a clear target for the community. Lots more funded traders to come as well. Well, yeah. Yeah, I don't even know what that means, Josh. I see some people are mad that Top Step closed at 12 CST today. Bro, if you're upset that you can't trade on a Tuesday the night before Christmas, you might have a problem. Like you might actually have a problem. Oh, I can't trade today. There's 365 days roughly in a year. Sometimes there's 366, right? And you're telling me you're on day 358 and you're mad that you can't trade? Yeah, go ahead and hit that GPS, buddy boy. Nearest bridge. You know what I'm saying? Nearest bridge, me boy. You got issues. You got issues. You know? It's kind of like those, we all have those friends that like to smoke before everything they do. It's like, bro, can you just wait? You know what I mean? Like, you're making us late to everything. Like, get your shit together and let's go. You know? Like, come on, bro. You got a problem. You have an actual problem. So they're probably closed. They closed at 12, didn't they? Oh no, 12:15. And they closed at 12:15. But that's a nice little rally into the close though. That would be a good payday before the Christmas holiday. I like that. Actually, let me look around for a little bit. Let me just take a gander at some things. But yeah, dude, look at 2024 by itself for Nasdaq. We had a pullback back in July and August, but minus that, it was a good ass year. Right? Look at that. Yearly open, right here. Sorry, let me zoom in on that. December, and then, okay, so January 2nd, the open of the year was here. So what I find interesting, we only spent about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks at most, under the yearly open. And we've launched since then. So Nasdaq is up 30% for the year. That's definitely not bad. So why would we look at this kind of information? Because what position traders, what really long-term investors like to do, and you should do this too, is compare your day trading results to the year. Because the argument is day trading is a waste of time if you don't make a better percentage than just buying at the beginning of the year and holding for the rest of the year. right? I mean, think about it. If you just bought one time, held, you'd be up 30% this year. But a lot of day traders didn't make 30% ROI on the year. And that is the frustrating part for younger traders. Absolutely. I get it too. Or maybe you're up 25%, but Nasdaq's up 30%, and you're going, well, shit. I did all this work. I spent all this time in front of the charts, took all these trades, and underperformed the Nasdaq. Frustrating. So that's a good benchmark, though. In my opinion, a really, really good benchmark is either the S&P or the Nasdaq. Let's see what S&P is up on the year. Probably close to the same. 27. Right around 27%. What's good, Eberneth? Long 1Q at the beginning of the year. I mean, you could do that, but the issue is with rollovers. Because then that contract expires and then you buy another one, you know, and I don't do that personally. I don't do it. On the stocks account, sure. On the self-directed IRA account, sure. Buy it, fucking. I never get rid of it. But that's different from futures trading, because all of the fluctuations in here, stuff like this, right? You see this area here? Like something like this. Okay. An area like this for position traders is very boring. Okay. From the low up to the high, that's about a 2.3% range. Okay. So a lot of the longer term guys or women, whatever, a lot of the longer term position traders, they're not checking their portfolio every day. You know, they're just chilling. But I can tell you right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You give me 9 trading days, I will beat the fucking brakes off of 2%. That's one trade. You're telling me you can't find a 1 to 2 in 9 days? You might have a problem. Right? But this, areas like this is where day trading, when you know how to trade consolidation, really beats the brakes off of long-term trading. Because you don't need big moves, right? You just need the right ones. And so 2% by itself, that's fucking cake. Right? I wasn't really going to do this today, but I mean, you can just go back and back test this, right? This consolidation in here. And if you remember, we talked about these levels in advance back then. Remember that gap back here? Of course you did. Right? Remember that shit? How many opportunities were back here? If you remember, or just consult your journal. Oh, that was the previous contract. We might not have the cleanest price action in here on this contract. Oh. All right. We could do... We could do NQ1, I guess. That might fix the issue. There we go. So, again, daily time frame consolidation. And, you know the qualities of a consolidating market. Run lows, back in the range. Run highs, back in the range. So on and so forth. So when you're in that, that's where you can look for longs below lows, or if we have low resistant highs, right, we can look for that as targets on the upside. And I'm pretty sure if you go back to November 20th or November 21st, that Thursday, I would bet money that we either took trades in here or I called something out in here. You'd have to go watch the market review on the 21st, because I don't remember that. That was only like a month ago, but I don't remember that far back. But again, you only need a 1 to 2 to bank 2% without partials. And that one trade by itself outperforms the long-term traders that are just holding through consolidation. And that, to me, is why I like day trading. Sometimes swing trading, but day trading index futures, the moves, let me put it to you this way. Whoops. When we talk about ping pong, right? I tell you guys not to ping pong the market. You know, like long up to the highs and look for a reversal at the highs to go lower and stuff like that. I tell you not to ping pong, right? Don't be like Spider-Man, try and catch every single swing. Okay, don't do that. At least in the beginning. But a really cool exercise if you want to do, and obviously I'm speed running it because our time is limited here. But if you want to spend some time today or this weekend, this week/weekend, this holiday season, whatever, if you want something to back test, what you could do is go look at, let's say, MMXM. Right? Hold on. Where's this shit at? Go into that consolidation, right? Look for all your MMXMs. That means sell models and buy models. Go look at how many second legs or second stages there were. Go look at how many low risk buys there were. And what you can do is you can add up those moves together. Okay, like let's just say, for example's sake, there was a buy model in here. Okay, so you can measure, let's say, from the low risk buy up to the highs. And you can go, okay, that was a 250 point move, right? Or maybe you found some shorts in here and that was like a modest 130 point move. Okay, cool. Add up those moves, 200, 130, maybe a 300 point move or whatever. And then look at the overall range. So the overall range might be like 725 points. But those 200 point moves and 100 point moves added up ends up being like 1,200. Am I making sense, chat? When you're trading within a range, when you're trading within consolidation, that's what a lot of traders don't like. But that actually offers more points than a trending market. You realize that, right? In a trending market, okay? In a trending market like this, you either have to wait for retracements to go higher or, you know, get in on the original move, right? From the beginning. And if you don't get that, you know, it takes off and you're not in there. So, I mean, that's cool, but that you have to catch that and hold it. And that's difficult for a lot of traders and even myself too. But in consolidation, if you know that markets are manipulated, bro, this is like money printing. Liquidity to liquidity. It's money printing. And yeah, I would agree, Josh. That'd be a fun exercise. Take off the time frame, like take screenshots of the charts, but take off the time frame at the bottom and the price on the right, and just have the candlesticks. And I would be willing to bet a lot of traders probably couldn't tell the difference. I might be able to. Only because the daily has expansion and contraction, which is typically not seen the same on a 1 minute time frame. Maybe. But yeah. But yeah. That's all I got for today. I don't feel like we need to be here a whole hour. Definitely want to free up some time as well for you guys to go shopping, read. Possibly, you probably won't, but I can dream, right? I can at least dream that you'll read books, right? You know, it's get all your shit done. If you celebrate Christmas and you're not prepared, then go wrap your presents and eat probably too. Do what you got to do, but I'm going to cut it here. I don't feel like we need to go the whole hour, broski. I don't feel like we need to do that. What's a Christmas miracle? Oh, yeah. That'll be a real miracle. If my Instagram was just flooded with stories of you tagging me, I'm reading this, I'm reading that. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I don't always count on miracles, man. I don't know. We'll figure it out. In 2025, we're going to do better, though. We got to do better. We got to read a lot more in 2025. And yeah, Naruto, I'm always going to show up. Tomorrow, I mean, look, I'll tell you, I'll stream tomorrow. I'll stream on Christmas. But if there's not a lot of people, it's going to be like this one, and it's going to be short. Okay? So if I don't see you tomorrow, Merry Christmas. If you are going to be on tomorrow, then y'all be good, and I'll see you then. And I appreciate that, Josh. Thank you. Yeah. Love this community. That's why I started it. To build something that would help a lot of people. You know, you guys could help each other, network, learn from each other, all that good shit. Yep. Merry Christmas, Mason. Merry Christmas 2020. Victor. Sergio. Shay.
silver bells all seem to say throw cares away. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Ding dong, that is their song with joyful ring. Oh, caroling, one seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound, o'er hill and dale, telling their tale. Gaily they ring, while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Christmases. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas.